Welcome back, everyone. Part 2 of trying to get this boat put back in the water. And for those of you who are just joining in on this series, go back and watch part 1 because a lot of this stuff will make more sense as to why I'm doing certain things. You'll notice a couple things in here that may not look quite right, but it's better explained in part 1, so go back and have a look at that. And also, this is kind of an unedited, say, long version of the video of just the reassembly of these cell drives, and I wanted to do it that way so in case anybody needed to see in real time all the little details of the reassembly process. And then also towards the end of the video we're going to put some underwater lights in what's maybe a little bit of a unique installation practice. I don't know, you guys tell me if I'm crazy or not. Feel free to skip ahead to it. It's kind of a, we'll see how it turns out. You guys enjoyed the video, and also leave a comment below whether you'd like to see maybe music put into some of these clips where there's not much narration going on, or if you would prefer voiceover narration as to what I'm doing and why I'm doing it, maybe a little bit more in-depth explanation to some things, or if you don't care, it doesn't make any difference to you, leave a comment below and let me know everyone's thoughts on it. Try to get these videos put together a little bit better. God knows I'm not that great at editing or filming. I think my mechanical abilities are far superior to that, so definitely not my strong suit. Anyways, enjoy, guys, and let me know if you got any questions. Well, I would normally clean all this up just a little bit better, but I've got to order parts for this thing, and it's all got to come back apart. I'm gonna have to haul the boat back out when the parts show up, which is a real pain in the butt and expensive. But is what it is. So I'll just put the zincs back on there and call it a day for right now. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna do something that may be ill-advised. Definitely something I haven't done before. These crappy, well, I say crappy, they're very expensive lumitech underwater lights. This will be the third set I've put on this boat. And what happens every time, I wish I had a picture of it. I'll try to dig one out and put it in this video. You use stainless screws to mount them. And even with the little plastic inserts that they give you to separate the stainless from this material, it always ends up corroding, and it corrodes right here on this edge, and then the glass pops out and the light goes bad. So this go around, I don't know if this is a good idea or a bad idea. I think I'm just gonna glue them in there with some 5200 and hope they don't fall out. We'll see how that works out. This may be a really good or a really catastrophically bad idea. Either way, we're gonna do it. We'll see how it works. So let's just put a whole, normally I do a really light coat of 5200 on these things because it doesn't take much, but this time I think I'm just gonna put a whole mess of it in here. I'll let it squeeze out of the sides really good. Let's see where we wind up here. See if it's gonna go really, really well or catastrophically bad. All right, I might have got a little carried away here. That's quite a bit. late now, right? That is a lot of 5,200. Oops. We'll have to do like a after a couple months update. Yeah, that was probably too much. Oh, definitely. It's gonna make a big old giant mess. Shit. Alright, well, we know now how much not to do. Good gracious. And this is why I barely put any on normally. Good luck getting bottom paint to stick to that. Alright, let's let this thing up in there. Of course, I would get 5,200 all over that. I'm trying not to get that Okay. What could go wrong, right? Famous last words. It is hot and humid today. favorite place, the boatyard. Anybody who owns big boats, you know what I mean. It's like the least favorite place to be. Alright, let's see what kind of mess we can make here. Oh, baby. There we go. I squeezed it on there. Oh yeah, that's a big old mess there. Perfect. Very good. Now we've officially made a big giant mess. We'll see how this turns out. All right. We'll update after being in the water for a while. Maybe I'll get my underwater camera out later on, and after they've been in there for a bit, and take some pictures or a little quick video and post it up. See what it looks like. Yeah, go.